today it's gonna be roughly around 300 miles trip. This is Lake Berryessa, one of the popular. Performance I didn't expect this performance from my bike, but just got off work. It's 2 p.m. right now and I'm going for a ride today, so let's see. I'm planning for like 3 hours ride one way and then 3 hours, yeah, I think it's like 2 hours one way and 2 hours back, so it's going to be like around 4 to 5 hours of ride. So yeah, it's 2 p.m. right now. I just got off work. I'm heading back to home and then I'll change and then I'll go to the ride. Alright guys, see you in the road. Alright everyone, just got changed and I'm off to a ride. The range is only 19 miles. So first I have to fuel up. So first let's go to the gas station, fuel up, and then we'll go off for a ride. Oh no, maybe after fuel up I'll go grab something to eat, maybe from McDonald's. Yeah, because I'm hungry. It's already, let's see, what time is it? 2:39. So it's 2:39. I'm already hungry. So I'm gonna go grab some food for me, and then I'll go for a ride. Yeah. So guys, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm here at McDonald's. Let's go get some food and then I'll continue on my ride. Ooh, it's too hot. Alright guys, I'm out of McDonald's now. I'm on my way. So I sat down there for like 25 minutes. I don't know why it took so long over there for me. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going for a ride to the place called Clear Lake. So I'm going to a place called Clear Lake, California, which is around 71 miles from here. So it's gonna take me like 1.5 hours. And the road is very much scenic and it's like a one-way highway, so I'm gonna have fun. Yeah, let's go and have fun. So a few months back I bought a very cheap top box from Amazon. It was like about $130, $50, something like that, $150. So I bought that, right, and then I installed it on my bike, top box. And then the first day I was going to my work and I was going through the freeway at around 65 miles per hour. That was my speed. And then the wind, there was too much wind. I don't know, I think I might have installed it wrong. It was loose. I don't know what happened, but you know, it just flew away. Yeah, that's funny and that's scary at the same time, because I was at the freeway and I was like around 65 miles per hour. That was my speed, and it just flew away. Thank God it didn't hit any car in the freeway. It just went to the side of the freeway. I mean, not at the right side, but at the left side. So I was going right. I didn't realize that it already flew up, and then one of the cars that passed by said that my top box flew away. Then I looked at the back and it was not there, and I was like, You know, I was like, damn. Oh my god, and I was already late to the work. What happened here? So there is a police car. I don't know what's going on. Maybe some crash. You know? Yeah, there's a crash. Oh my god, look at that. All right, let's stop for a little bit. It's been almost 1 hour. It's been almost an hour since I have been riding with no rest. So now I have to take some rest and stretch my legs and drink some water. You know, it's too hot, so I have to drink some water now. All right. So my water is in this side pannier. Actually, there is nothing inside the pannier, just the water and my tripod stand. That's it. The main reason I wanted to keep the side pannier is that because I wanted to be more comfortable with I wanted to be more comfortable riding with the side panniers on. So there's just my water bottle in it. That's it. All right. All right, so Ilzani, let's see kati bajo. So right now it's 4:12. I don't know where I am exactly right now, but I just crossed the place called Brooks and Gwenda and Romsey. I am not that type of person who does the long ride. I mean, it's technically my first long ride. I think it's gonna be more than 200, less than 300 miles, somewhere around that, like that. So yeah, let's see. So far so good, having fun. I'm just following the Google Maps. I don't know where it's taking me, but let's see what happens. Okay. What place is this? This is Clear Lake. Damn, man. Google Maps, where are you taking me? Okay. So as per Google Maps, this is Clear Lake. Oh my god. Huh. Let's see. So Clear Lake as per Google Map. Okay, where do I go to? Alright, I'm here at the place called Clear Lake, which took me about an hour and a half. So currently it's 5:13 and the place is so beautiful. Just look at the place. It's the Clear Lake. The place is called Clear Lake, but it's not too clear. You know. So anyways, it's bright and sunny. I'm walking at the breeze right now. Oh my god, it's shaking. It's shaking. Let's see how it's breeze right यो बीचमा पोल बनाइरहेको छ कस्तो टाइपको पोल हो यो इट्स हियर मैले हेर्नु त्यही छोडेर आएको छु कसैले नलिए त हुन्थ्यो है so far so good. I'm enjoying the ride. There's a little bit pain in my back, in my butt area, but it's good, you know, because it's also because I'm not that used to for long rides, so that's why to get used to long rides I'm doing this kind of rides nowadays, you know. So today it's gonna be roughly around 300 miles trip. So from Woodland, Romsey, Brooks, Clear Lake. Now Our next destination will be Castiloga, something like that. I think it's in the Napa Valley, and then from that I'll do a like whole lap, and then I'll go to home. Oh my god, it's too steady too much. Alright. त्यही हो ल अब बाइकमा भेटौँ है त अब म एकछिन यसो हेर्छु एकछिन चिल हुन्छु एकछिन मजाले बस्छु यसो दृश्य अवलोकन गर्छु अनि त्यसो निस्किन्छ होला एकछिन भेटौँ फेरि लेट्स गो Alright guys, so I am right now at the middle of the road, middle of the highway. Right? देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. I don't know what place I am at right now, so I think that's Murphy Springs Road भन्छ अगाडि है. So त्यही हो. I'm a little bit tired. So time right now it's 5:40 almost. अनि म अब जान लागेको ठाउँ चाहिँ Castiloga भन्ने हो. So the place it's called Castiloga, the place where I'm headed right now. It's about 1 hour ride from here still. So I've been riding for about like 30-40 minutes since Clear Lake. So yeah, I'm in the middle lake. So I just stopped because my GoPro battery dead. So I should have carried the extra battery, but you know I thought it would last for like at least 3-4 hours, 5 hours, but it is what it is. I think it's because of the overheat, because it's too hot today, and my GoPro, my phone, everything is heating too much. Even my phone, the battery is only like it's like 20-22% right now. So I don't know. Let's see. But I will complete my ride. I will go to Castiloga, and from there I'll go to Winters, and from there I'll go to home. So I think it's gonna take me more about 1 hour more to Castiloga, and then 1 hour more to Winters. Maybe 2.5 hours, 3 hours more to home. So yeah, enjoying the rides. So far so good. Let's go. Right now it's 6:30 almost, and I have been riding for like almost 1 hour now. It was twisties. It was a lot of fun to ride, but my GoPro it's dead now, so yeah, I couldn't shoot that while I was in the twisties. So I'm now heading to Winters. So here from here the Winters is 1 hour 7 minutes. The charge of my phone is also almost gone. It's only 7% right now. So let's see. Alright, let's go.
A few moments later.
अहिले चाहिँ म गेस्ट हाउसमा छु. ब्रेक लिइरहेको रेड बुल खाँदैछु हैन. अनि फोन पुरै चार्ज भएर भित्र चार्ज गर्न दिएको छ एकछिन हेल्प गरिदियो भनेर. सो हेल्प गर्यो. एकछिन 10 मिनेट चार्ज गरेर Alright guys, right now it's 7:20, almost 7:30 p.m. right now, and I don't know where I am right now. Somewhere in the Napa Valley, and this is a very nice place to stop, and there is a lake beside me, just at the side. That's why I decided to stop here and then eat something. You know, I got some nuggets from the McDonald's that I stopped before, so I'm just thinking of eating there right now. It's already 7:30 almost, and I'm tired. It's been almost maybe more than 5 hours since I'm riding, and my GoPro is already dead, and my phone is almost dead. Right now I think it has 10% right now. I had to stop at the gas station to charge my phone. I asked them to charge my phone and then they said yes, thank God. Otherwise my phone would have died by now. It had only 5% then. Right now it has like 10-11%, so I hope it will be enough for me today, because I have 13 Pro Max, and for sure the battery of 13 Pro Max is very, very good. Like it lasts long other than any other iPhone, so it's good. So yeah, I'll just hang out here for some time, eat my nuggets, and then I'll leave. All right. Just look at this place, guys. Look at this place. Awesome. Look at this lake. I don't know what's the exact name of this lake, but I just happened to stop here. You know, I was just riding by, and then I saw this lake, and then I had to stop. You know, I know it's almost 8 o'clock. It's late, but you know, I don't care. It's the freedom of riding. That's why I like to ride. You know. Oh my God. हावा चलेको रहेछ डर लाग्यो म चाहिँ तल आएँ एकछिन हैन. So I just came down here to see how it looks. Oh my God, look at the view, and there is sun. It's the sunset time. It's let's say 7:30 almost, and yeah, cool, having fun, man. So fun. Look at this place.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, it's 8:05. अनि अहिले चाहिँ म लेक बेरिएसा भन्ने ठाउँमा छु. Right now I'm at Lake Berryessa. So पछाडि तपाईहरु देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. This is Lake Berryessa, जुन चाहिँ नि one of the popular lake in California. बबाल ठाउँ छ के. ठ्याक्कै सनसेट हुँदाको टाइममा बबाल टाइममा म आइपुगे यहाँनिर है. बाइक मैले यहाँ पार्क गरेको छु एकछिन, अनि मैले यसो फोटो खिच्नलाई एकछिन यहाँ बसेको. अनि टावर पनि छैन, ब्याट्री पनि 4% मा छ हैन, त्यो टेन्सन छ. सो इट्स अलरेडी 8:05. अनि अब म घर चाहिँ 9 बजीतिर पुग्छु होला. अझै 1 घण्टा छ यहाँबाट घर पुग्नलाई. मेरो बट चाहिँ नि आई क्यान्ट फिल माई बट म्यान. इट्स बिन अलमोस्ट 6 hours since I am riding, and after 6 hours of riding you can't feel your butt, man. Oh my God. Anyways, having fun. So far so good. 1 more hour to go and then ride will end. रमाइलो भइरहेछ अहिलेसम्म. अनि जस्ट लुक एट द भ्यू यार. एकछिन मजाले बस्न मन छ एकछिन हैन, तर टाइम छैन के गर्नु. एकैछिन 2 मिनट बस्छु अनि म निस्किन्छु तुफान हुन्थ्यो. तर यहाँ ट्विस्टिज पनि यो बाटो यस्तो खतरा छ के गरी गोप्रोको चार्ज नसके भए मजा आउँथ्यो है यहाँ खिच्नलाई. म मजाले रमाइलो गर्दै आइरहेको छु क्या ट्विस्टिजमा. गोप्रो भइदिए मजा आउँथ्यो, तर ठिकै छ. इट इज व्हाट इट इज है. ठिक छ. बाइकले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, बाइक बवाल छ यार. बवाल पर्फर्मेन्स बवाल दिइरहेको छ. जस आई डिडन्ट एक्सपेक्ट दिस पर्फर्मेन्स फ्रम माई बाइक, बट थम्स अप म्यान, भेरी गुड. जस साइड बक्सले पनि मलाई जस अहिले चाहिँ मेरो कन्फिडेन्स बढिसकेको छ, किनकि अलमोस्ट 6 hours राइडिङ होइन. अब टप बक्स हाल्नु पायो चाहिँ मजा आउँथ्यो. सुनमा सुगन्ध हुन्थ्यो टप बक्सले चाहिँ नि. लेट्स सी के हुन्छ है. बवाल. एकैछिन बस्छु 2 मिनट. I'll just hang out for 2 minutes, watch the sunset, and then I'll... Alright guys, right now it's 9:03 and I'm here at the quick stop gas station. My phone was dead, so I just charged my phone over here. Oh my God, I was almost lost in our winters. So balla balla आइपुगे. अब म ग्यास हाल्छु. Just look at the condition, man. Look at this. Look at my side panniers. मेरो हेलमेटको पनि कन्डिसन त्यही भएको थियो तर मैले भर्खरै भित्र क्लिन गरेँ यहाँ भाइजरलाई हैन पुरै भुसुनै भुसुनो अब ल म ग्यास हाल्छु अनि फेरि भेटौँला नि त है त